Do you hate peeling garlic? You're not alone. Peeling garlic can be frustrating. Your fingers get sore, and sometimes it feels like you spend more time peeling than cooking. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you some genius hacks for peeling garlic in seconds. Stick around because I guarantee one of these is about to become your kitchen's new best friend. Let's start with the method that is most suitable if you have to peel a small amount of garlic. Grab a garlic clove, then use your thumb and index finger to press both ends of the clove tightly. The skin will immediately crack, and now you can easily take out the skin away with no hassle and no stress. Garlic is one of the most loved ingredients in the kitchen. It adds flavor, aroma, and depth to almost any dish, but also has excellent antibacterial and antifungal properties. So always add garlic to your dishes. And this method will be perfect if you have to add a few cloves to your dishes. But what if you have to feed a crowd, or you're just really passionate about garlic? Then you can use this second method. I call it the bowl or jar shake method. Take an entire bulb of garlic, or 2 or 3, and first, break it apart into loose individual cloves. Don't even bother trimming the ends or peeling any of the loose outer layers. Just dump all of those unpeeled cloves directly into your metal bowl or jar. Cover it with a tight lid and shake it vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. The science here is simple. It's all about impact and abrasion. The cloves are banging against the hard sides of the bowl, and more importantly, against each other. This violent rattling is what forces the skins to break and surrender. When you open the lid, you'll find a scene of beautiful chaos. A pile of perfectly peeled naked cloves, mixed in with their discarded papery shells. There may be a few stubborn ones which do not get peeled, but they're usually loosened enough that they peel with a simple pinch. Before we move to our next method, let's connect from around the world. Comment your city or country in the comments. It's nice that we can see each other from different parts of the world. Method 3 is the warm water soak, and it is one of the most gentle ways to peel garlic. Start by snipping or slicing off just the tough root ends of your cloves. This is crucial because it creates an entry point for the water. Next, drop all your trimmed cloves into a bowl and pour over some warm water, enough to cover them completely. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes and let the water do its magic. What's happening in that bowl is pretty clever. The heat and moisture are seeping in between the clove and the skin. This causes the skin to puff up, soften, and release its death grip on the garlic. You will know they're ready when the skin looks a little wrinkled. Now, when you're ready to peel them, they'll be loose, swollen, and will slide off with effortless pinch. There's no resistance whatsoever. If you have a friend or family member who loves cooking with garlic, share this video with them. It might just save them from the frustration of peeling garlic the hard way. Method 4 is also another great option if you have a few cloves to peel. It is also incredibly simple and easy to do. Just grab a garlic clove and get a plastic bottle cap. Any cap will do. You just need something firm. Press the edge of the clove gently with the cap and begin to pull the skin away. This way, the smell of the garlic will not get to your fingers, and your hands will not get sore from continuously pulling garlic cloves with your fingers. If you're enjoying this video and will love to see more helpful tips like this, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything I upload. And also hit the like button. It's a free way of supporting us. I know you will enjoy being here with all the helpful tips I will be uploading. Method 5 is the classic, the go-to, the one every line cook worth their salt has mastered. I call it the knife tap. First, grab a single clove and lay it on your cutting board. Now take your knife. A nice wide one works best, and rest the flat of the blade directly on top of the clove. Now, all you have to do is give the flat of the blade a single, quick, confident press with the heel of your palm. You're not trying to pulverize it. You're just giving it a firm tap. You'll hear a satisfying little crack. That single press is just enough to break the clove's structure, which in turn instantly splits the skin open like a bad zipper. From there, the papery husk just slides right off. The beauty of this method is its efficiency. You're probably already using a chef's knife to chop your other ingredients. There's no need to stop. It's a seamless part of the workflow. Now, let's talk downsides. While this method is a champion for small batches, if you're peeling for an army, say making garlic-infused oil, or prepping for a huge holiday meal, your palm may start to hurt. Also, there's a small learning curve in mastering the pressure. Press too lightly, and the skin won't split. Press too hard, and you'll smash the clove into a mushy pulp, which is fine if you were going to mince it anyway, but not ideal if you wanted slices. But for your average Tuesday night pasta, or a quick stir-fry, this one is, and remains, completely undefeated. Here's a surprising one: the microwave trick. This was a new one for me too. Take some unpeeled cloves of garlic and put into a microwave-safe bowl. Place them in the microwave for just 10 to 15 seconds. The heat causes the skins to loosen and almost slip off by themselves. Just be careful. They'll be warm, so let them cool for a few seconds before touching. So there you have it, 6 different ways to peel garlic in seconds: the thumb press, the bowl shake, the warm water soak, the bottle cap method, the knife smash, and the microwave trick. Each method has its own advantage, whether you need just a few cloves or a whole bulb. So which of these are you going for? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves cooking, and don't forget to subscribe for more food science tips and kitchen hacks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.